Morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, March 3rd. Thought I'd give you a quick update on the layout. This time I'm going to show it to you in its normal state, which is under construction, rather than all nice and cleaned up with trains running. First thing we've done recently is put all the lighting under the second level to light the lower level. Didn't have a place to connect to an existing wall switch, so thanks to Home Depot and these little gadgets for under 10 bucks, we can now turn the whole lights on with just a flip of a button. Pretty cool, you know you want one. Thanks to John Benny for getting that all sorted out. Let's go down aisle 1 here, and we can first see where some of the scenery is being done. Here's Redman Cut in the Altamont Pass, and a redo of where it goes under Highway 580, which originally I had a tunnel there, but in looking at Google Maps and some videos, it turns out it's actually just a bridge under the highway. So I've fixed that. You can see hanging down some of the Tam Valley singlets that we're going to be using for controlling the turnouts, which can be done from a dispatcher's panel. Each one of those is a small decoder, and just waiting to put those in the fascia. My plan is a small panel that will show the milepost as a control point, and then those come with the buttons and the LEDs. See if you can see that. So it's a pretty nice little kit from Tam Valley. Walking down here, you see the new Kabasi coal that's going in. That will have a through the wall, in and out kind of a scenario with a power plant on the other side. That'd be a nice big industry to switch. We changed the town name, in fact, to Altamont from Pleasanton because 100 years ago there was a coal mine in this location, and it's plausible that we could create the scenario that it's now come back to life with modern technology. Here you see the patching we're doing between the sections, the old modules, and then filling in the corner. A tunnel portal needs to go in there, but this will get static grass and the usual treatment for scenery. Just waiting on a big container ship there, and then small hill here to just create a scene block with Portola and the Rail Museum. And then as we walk back down this way, we'll go around the corner to see the peninsula that adjoins the crew lounge area, and some scenery to create a really nice scene that actually matches a Google Map picture that I took off the internet, and a power plant, hydroelectric plant right there that I've been down and photographed. And this will be a nice scene once I have all the rock molds and a zillion pine trees and all that. But I think it solved the problem of not having to put a divider down the middle and block the view from the crew lounge over there. Coming down aisle 2 here, upper level has rock work here and all of the bench work covered with the basic hills. So we'll start adding some more rock molds and outcroppings there, get the grass and shrubs and trees on that. And it comes into Quincy, and there's a branch line that runs down the back here over a real nice trestle that Steve Gallus built, and that goes into a small tunnel where we hide the switcher and about 4 or 5 cars that will come on for the operations. Here you can see where we've done some more patching, blending these modules together that actually were never built to go together. So sometimes we have to hack away at some of the scenery to get a logical scenic blend. Another section of scenery to go in there. And then another interesting area will be to blend the scenery from the lower level to the upper level where that starts here. And so to hide kind of the bottom level where you'd end up with 2 tracks on the same module. So that's where we are on March 3rd, and I better get to work. So thanks for watching.